So you have seen the thumbnail and also you have seen the title, and that is the reason why you are here to watch this video. In this video I am going to tell you how to reverse a string inside Python using minimum code. Alright, so if you search this particular topic over the internet, you will see a lot of videos and a lot of text, I mean a lot of code. Those are really complicated. So to learn this process, first we have to learn how to reverse a string. So let's say text, a variable which is equal to input, let's say enter text. All right, it's the first one. Now text is equal to text angle braces double colon -1, so it will count from backwards, print text. I will run this and let's say first text will be apple. Yep, ELPPA. So this is reversing. Again run it. So you know madam, those who are programming knows madam. Madam is a palindrome text. So madam, let's see. Yep, MADAM, it's the same. All right, so on this concept we are going to develop a program. So I will not erase the first line, text equal to input enter text if text. So I will assign this double equal to text angle braces double colon -1 colon to terminate, print palindrome, else you know what's coming, print not palindrome. All right, and I have to get this indentation correct. It's perfect, and this will go just a bit back. Okay, let's check it out. So the first text, let's say apple, this won't be palindrome. Let's see. Yeah, it's not palindrome. Perfect. Next one. Okay, let the ad be closed just a bit. So if you are interested in this kind of topics, then please subscribe to the channel and also leave a like on this video. It is a big motivation for me. So next one will be madam. I'm always here to give the solutions, and this is telling it's not palindrome, so we have to check the errors over here. So let's check. There was absolutely no error in the code. Actually, when you enter a palindrome text, please enter in small letters. So you can see madam is a palindrome text. Now the next one we are going to check here. Let's skip this ad. Okay, so the next one we are going to check over here is let's say what text we can give as palindrome. Please give me some suggestions. Let's say what text can we give? I don't know. Let's say dad. Yeah, miss my dad. So yep, palindrome as well. So this is how you can do it. This is the easiest method of doing a palindrome program really inside Python. So please consider subscribing this channel and also leave a like on this video if you enjoyed the content, and also if you like this code, then please let me know in the comments. I will be very happy to help you if I have helped you seriously. So see you all again next time.